Hello guys, Python programmer back here with another video. So in Visual Studio Code, by the way we're talking about loops, but in Visual Studio Code, type in the editor for x in range, and then in parentheses 0, 5, and then a colon after that. And then type print hello with a single quotation mark inside of the parentheses and inside of the hello. So what this will do is write out the statement hello 5 times really quickly. If you want to learn more programming in Python, then please smash that subscribe